Hi, I'm James Daly, founder and chief innovation officer with Mifos. We are the one true open source banking platform designed for financial inclusion. We spent the last 8 years detailing banking requirements, understanding payment systems, and in dozens of countries. We're open, cloud-based, and mobile. So how big is this opportunity? Well, as our board chair likes to say, how are we going to serve? How are we going to reach efficiently the next 4 billion people on the planet with banking services? It isn't going to be how we've done it before. The World Bank says that there's at least 2.5 billion people who lack access to any kind of financial service. There's another 1.5 billion who have some kind of access, but it's not great. They go down to their local branch, brick and mortar, to get their checking account open to do transactions. So the first to market with an innovative model in this space is going to win. Where are we now, and where are we going? Have you paid your utility bill recently by walking down to the waterworks department and paying in cash? Have you paid for your house in cash, big wad of cash? Actually, if you have, I'd like to talk to you maybe later. We're looking for, anyway. So it turns out a lot of people around the world face this dilemma, face this challenge, don't have access. It's a cash-driven economy globally. Maybe not here in San Francisco, but globally it's true. So we're already seeing the future in Kenya with 74% of the adult population, 23 million mobile banking accounts. And we know that we're not going to be recreating the banking system of the past 50, 80 years. We're not going to be doing that infrastructure. It's going to be mobile, it's going to be online banking, it's going to be cloud-driven, and it's going to be on smartphones, and it's going to be with low-cost payment platforms, less than 5 cents a transaction. We are the ideal for innovative business models. In fact, we believe that we are what many of you have been looking for. I think that that's true based on some of the conversations I've been having. What we offer is a platform that you can build on top of to create the best user experience around banking activities, account opening, savings, loans, and payments integration. Banking as a cloud-based service. In fact, we think that Mifos combined with a national switch could handle the banking services for a country the size of Ghana, with say 30 million people and easily the potential for 5 million transactions a day just to start. The country's flags, and highlighted here, are some of the countries where our integration partners are already implementing countrywide efforts. We specifically selected the Mozilla Public License. Because we're speaking with a lot of developers, and we specifically chose that so that you can build your business and your apps on top of what we've done. So download this, connect to it, build something on it, and then commercialize it. It's open. Cloud, yes, of course, it's cloud. These are the world-class technologies we're using so that we are ecosystem ready. We're transactional. The core of this is a transaction engine. We have a rich data set model, and we follow, of course, domain-driven design. And we also have sensible ways to extend the data model and the objects as necessary. We've spent the last 8 years getting this right. In fact, some of our early implementations are still out there running in about a dozen different languages. This is sort of a no-brainer now, but 10 years ago when we first started talking about this, mobile in Ghana on a smartphone? Seriously? Well, we think that this is coming true now. So let me show you some of this in action. The Sony is a for-profit innovator based in the Netherlands. They launched the world's first cashless and paperless banking system, Sony Kenya. When they met us, they were fed up with the proprietary development stack, high fees, et cetera, et cetera. They threw that away, and in 3 months, were able to build a brand new system on top of our open APIs and go to market. They now serve a dozen institutions across sub-Saharan Africa, and they are one of our core contributors. Open source, mobile, commercialized. Conflux was a startup in 2009 seeking to reach a small niche market in India around non-banking financial institutions. And they were able to very quickly stand up a company, and they're now a SaaS provider to dozens of institutions around the world. And they've been recently selected for a venture-backed solution which we can announce soon. So come tomorrow to our workshop with Vishwas, our senior architect and community developer. He'll be going over the APIs and structure. He'll show you the demo, the callbacks. We'll go through how to do this. And if I had enough time, I'd let you write down the URL, get your homework done tonight after the party, and come to the session tomorrow. We're open, cloud, mobile. We're the one true open source platform for financial inclusion, built for financial innovators. The rest is up to you. Thank you.